Hello, friends. This is Jason Dynamics, your coach, your mentor, and your trainer. I want to give you 10 important and vital affirmations which you need to speak every time, at least once a day. Don't forget it, write it down, keep it in your wallet or purse, repeat it. This will help you to move forward. This will help you to gain positivity, purpose, dream, and destiny in your life. Affirmation means you believe what you say. Confess anything. You can confess anything. You can say anything. But affirmation is you believe in certain facts and you believe it. These 10 affirmations, my dear friends, repeat it daily. You will see great changes in your life. First one, born for a purpose. You should repeat, I am born for a purpose. Nothing can stop my purpose. I am born in this world, wherever it is, whichever place it is, it may be a remote part of the world. You should have a strong belief, I am born for a purpose. Nothing should hinder you. No community should hinder you. No beliefs should hinder you. You are born for a purpose. Overrule, overcome, climb it, move forward. You are born for a purpose. Second thing is, nothing is impossible with me. Can you affirm with me? Nothing is impossible with me. I create everything. I can do certain things which I plan to do. The whole universe is supporting. I tell everyone. The whole universe is supporting. When you wake up in the morning, you never ask the sunrise. You never ask for oxygen, but it's still there. The whole universe is supporting for you to change things. You should say, nothing is impossible. Second thing, I can create changes. Is it not so? Changes in my personality, bringing a dynamic personality within myself, within my thoughts, within my body, within the breath, and bringing a changes and getting into some new platform of learning things. So create changes. I can create changes. Fourth thing is, I am not alone. You're not alone at all. There is invisible powers, invisible amount of energy, power. The creator is behind you because you need to do certain thing which no one can do that. It's only ordained upon you. So you could say that I am not alone. When you move, the universe moves. When you move, the power moves. When you move, the light moves. When you move, the invisible energy and power moves for you. The fifth thing is I can develop new habits. Change the way you think. That's the first habit which you should do. Second thing, change the way you speak. Change the way you reason things. If you bring these changes in your life, when you start changing thoughts about yourself, inferiority, condemnation, thinking low about yourself, comparing yourself to others, all this should be completely deleted. Develop new habits of learning about great personality, reading books, spending some time with good positive people, spending time with dreamers, spending time with visionaries. The sixth thing, I have a dream. Do you have a dream? Do you see dreams? Yes, you have a dream. You got to reach there. No human being in the world has not seen any dream. It is an inborn gift for every individual. Either they see dream in the night, either they see the dream in the day. Where you have to reach. What I say about dream is where you want to reach in your life. Which platform, which position, start working from today. I wanted to be a trainer. This is 20 years of experience of training people, helping people. I like to speak to the seminars, workshop. That is my passion. I help and encourage people. I love doing it. I'm doing it. In the same way, what is your dream? Where you want to reach, where you want to touch the society, where you want to encourage someone, build a new community, society, inventions, anything, go ahead. And the seventh thing is, I have resources. When you go, everything follows you. You should be a leader who goes ahead. The resources are plenty in this universe. There are minerals, there are gold, there are manpower, community, the nature, everything is sustaining, everything is related to each other. In the same way, when you move, the resources move. The money is a secondary. First is where you move. Go ahead. You should say, I have plenty of resources moving ahead. Eighth thing is, I will reach my destiny. Where you got to reach after 10 years, after 5 years, after 15 years, where you have to reach. It is just like a big mountain where you need to go there and plant, where you have to establish, where you have to pole a big flag of your dream. You got to do that. I will reach my destiny. Do not let anyone interfere before your destiny where you have to reach. The promised land, the promised thing which is ahead of you, where you got to reach, you got to reach. Ninth thing, the very vital part, which is called I will bless others. You be a blessing for someone else. At least encourage someone, at least help someone, at least pat at someone, at least compliment someone, at least give some employment to someone, establish certain things while you are in the world. The community needs you, the family needs you, the nature needs you, the universe needs you. We need you. Contribute something, and you got to say, I will bless others. The 10th thing is, I'm always happy. Nothing can steal my happiness. Whatever it is, whatever it is, you should smile at yourself. Take a deep breath and relax and say, smile and say, I am always happy because I have come to the world with a purpose. I am going to do it. I'm always happy. My dear friends, this 10 vital part of belief system and affirmation, when you start speaking, things comes into reality. God bless you. Thank you so much.